You may have suffered a broken or chipped nail in your life and you probably didn't know what to do about it. So I'm here to show you guys how to fix that using only one product. So
look what God gave her, how perfect He made her.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Princess Bravo's voice if you are hearing me for the first time, and this is my chipped or broken nail and I'm going to fix that using super glue. Yep, that's right, we're going to be using super glue to help us fix our broken or chipped nail. So to start, I am grabbing my nail file and I'm going to use that to just buff out the surface of my nail just to get rid of that rough texture. So when you are buffing out your nail, you want to do this very lightly and don't use a heavy hand or you will cause more damage to the chipped nail. After filing the nail, I took my double-sided cotton swab and dipped it into the nail polish remover, and I'm going to use that to just clean off the surface of my nail and also under my nails. I also want to take a moment to welcome all the new members into the family. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the Princess Bravo gang. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, hey, thank you so much for always sticking around to watch my videos, share them, and also encourage others to subscribe. You are the real MVP. I will then continue to file my nail to my desired shape. Remember, you don't want to overfile your nail because this will lead to breakage or even chipping of the nail. Now this is where the magic happens. You just want to take your super glue and you want to squeeze just a small or a tiny bit of the glue and apply it onto the surface of the nail, especially where you have your crack or where your nail has broken. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking a small or a tiny bit of the glue and applying it onto the surface of the nail, and you want to make sure that the glue doesn't touch the skin. Next, I'm taking this tool over here, which is basically like a nail file, and I'm going to use that to spread the glue on the surface of my nail, especially where I have the nail crack. And also remember to push your skin away from the nail so that you don't have to touch the super glue. I am also going to apply a little amount of glue on the side of my nail because that's where my nail had cracked initially, just to seal that portion, and I'm going to let that air dry for a few minutes before I go ahead onto the next step. Having a broken or chipped nail can be very frustrating, especially if you're a person who loves to wear long natural nails like me. So this is one of my special remedies that I use to prolong the wear of my long natural nails. So if you guys have any other suggestions on how you can fix your broken or chipped nail, please leave your suggestions or comments in the comment section. I love to hear them.
A few moments later.
After the glue had completely dried clear, I'm going to take my nail Hadna and I'm going to apply it on the surface of my nail just to finish everything off. So once I was done applying the nail Hadna, I left my nail to air gonna dry, and as you can see, the nail crack doesn't look so bad at all. But if you don't like the visibility of the crack, you can apply a bold or nude color to conceal the crack, and you're basically good to go. So follow these simple steps and you can keep your nails long for longer. So this was easy peasy, right? Let me know in the comments. So as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, also subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.